Let's go home now. Ah. Let's go. Let's go.
Mahinay lang ah.
You can chase me. Tires. The tires.
Ha? Gab, wag ay tawaki. Ayos mo paa mo.
How can I have to do? Okay.
Tabakan mo, Gab.
Dito. Dito?
Diyan, wag dyan.
Gas yun.
Tamakan yan, crank.
Bulit na maulog ka.
And I didn't know how to sit on a motorcycle at the back, and I'm dumb. Okay. It's night now, and the weather is like clear, and it's cloudy today in this place. We're in the Caraga region. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's Caraga region because I will sell cigarettes. N-word. 早上好，中国，现在我有冰激凌，我喜欢冰激凌。嘿嘿嘿。Okay, we slow down, going there, turn into the left. Going to the left, and oh, why is it so cold like Russia? I think I'm gonna get frostbite. Just kidding, I don't want to get frostbite. Let's do the hector, take it seriously or else. Now we have followed now, yes. You went to the wrong way.
Lampas, Brad.
You nuts. You went to the wrong way. You went to the wrong way. You went to the wrong way. I told you, you went to the wrong way. I said, bro. Let's go. Oh!
Lampas.
LOL.